Tired of congestion, headaches, and allergies weighing you down and interfering with your life? The Sinus Plumber is here to help rid you of those pesky sinus issues. The Sinus Plumber is a revolutionary, one-of-a-kind natural nasal spray using horseradish, cayenne pepper, and wintergreen to help give you instant relief. Unlike other overly potent pepper sprays, the addition of horseradish enables us to use less pepper with bigger benefits and without the overwhelming burn of traditional cayenne pepper sprays. The Sinus Plumber also helps relieve the pain from a variety of headaches, including clusters, migraines, hangovers, and more. Take this nasal spray with you conveniently anywhere. The Sinus Plumber will provide an instant kick that disappears in seconds while providing relief that lasts for hours with a refreshing minty scent. Check out the Sinus Plumber today.